Hey guys, welcome back to Adry53. It's been a while and people keep asking me to make tutorial. Please do the tutorial for heaven's sake. Okay, chill out people. Today is that day, alright? Oh yeah, and Merry Christmas to you guys. Hope you all have a wonderful day, cool stuff happening to your life, and wishing you all as well. Now, today I have a very cool project. Tuningblog has reached out to me again to do another car since the DeLorean in the previous videos got a big hit. I just want to say thank you to you all, to everyone who's watching, commenting, sharing. God bless you all. All of you are just being too nice, alright? And I hope this one could get much views as well. If you haven't subscribed, just go ahead, click out that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be the first to see new cars I come up with. Okay, now to the video. We have the Toyota Supra A80 and Tuningblog wants me to do a Restomod style customizations on this baby. And Tuningblog wants me to combining it with supercar styling as well, so my idea is to combine this thing with Lamborghini machine. Boom! And for me, the coolest Lambo available now is the Centenario. I did this in the past with a Camaro. All I have to do now is to do it again in 3D and with a Supra. I know all of you GDM Supra fanboys will be cringing right now. Well, I suggest you to not watch the video much further and don't leave stinky comments, alright? Deal? Okay, so the first step that I do here is I start making a new body kit, and usually starts from the wheel well with the tube tool, because to achieve perfect circular shape is pretty hard. So I usually start with the tube, then cut the bottom part and start selecting lines I want to stretch. Just need to click shift while dragging it and you essentially growing the part. And this is in 3ds Max, by the way. If you use another program, it's probably gonna be different. And then by that you could create your own desired shape. After that you could select the dot. Yeah, I'm just gonna call that dot whatever, and just adjust it to match the car fender lines. And if you need more lines to work with in your newly made object, you could use the cut tool in the bottom right and add more lines to your model. Don't forget to switch it off after you're done using it. Well, basically that's all the basic I use to create new objects. For body kits, wheels, you name it. It just needs to get some getting used to. Then apply Turbo Smooth modifier to make it smoother. Don't apply too much though. It will crash your PC. And it will always be switched off when you re-edit the original geometry though. So you don't have to worry that much. And if you want the edges to be sharper, you could select these edges you want to be sharper and apply chamfer there. The closer two lines in the geometry, the sharper it will get. And I'm gonna use some part from my Cyberpunk car that's supposed to have its own episode, but I'm too busy to create it until the Cyberpunk hype has gone. I don't know if you're still interested to watch those. I'm probably gonna upload that one soon. Just gonna take the wheels and the engine parts and use it for my advantage. For the front bumper, I'm just gonna take a surface out of my fender and drag it while clicking shift. This way I will save much more time instead of making a new separated plane and try to move it into the right angle. Tried my best to imitate the Centenario bumper design here, and well, I'm just gonna use the Centenario model instead and mesh up some of the parts. For the hood, I aligned the shape using the 4x4x4 modifier and use the control points to stretch it out. This very similar to the wrap tool in Photoshop. And I'm scavenging parts from the sanitaria that I could use for the Supra. For the rest of the build, I'm just doing the same steps like what I do with the vendors. Just stretching parts out of the surface I already made and keeping the Lamborghini design language to the Supra. After I'm done modeling the vehicle, I move on to Keyshot to paint the car with materials and render the final images and videos. To paint, it's just as easy to find the material you want in the material tab on your left. Just drag it to your desired car parts. If you have different parts or different materials on your 3D model, you could easily paint each different part of it. But if your model happens to have the same materials that you have on your 3D Max, you could unlink the parts you select in the right side menu. And here is the final result. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I'm sorry if there are still many things I haven't explained in this video, because in the process of making this car there were many revisions and parts that didn't have time to be discussed in detail. I'm not looking forward to make a 2-hour video just to explain how to animate this in detail. There's a lot of tutorial out there on YouTube, waiting for you to discover. I only able to explain my ways, the best that I can in this video, so I hope you'll learn 1 or 2 things in this video, and I hope I could do more videos in the future, bringing you more all the car builds that I posted on Instagram. And that's it. I'll see you guys later. God bless you all. Bye.